I'm Mimi Miller at Ulta Beauty in Culver City, here to show you how to set up your own hair dryer and curling iron station. You'll need a great tray like this one. Sturdy tray you can find in any beauty supply store. You'll need a towel because you want to be able to put your hot irons on, or your styling tools, or oil. Blow dryer, your styling wand or iron, different sizes of combs. Don't forget those clips. Definitely need clips. And your shears. And voila, this is how to set up your own hair dryer and curling iron station. I'm Mimi Miller, and thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time.